let's dive into the content. Let me show you guys how to actually post an ad and how simple this is, guys. It's really, really simple. So let me go ahead and show you that, okay? So what I want to share with you quickly is my recent commissions. So as you guys can see here, I've done $5,600 in commissions with the copy and paste ad system. Okay, guys, so this is real. This is what I've been doing, okay? And then now I want to show you how simple it is to post an ad, okay? So right now we're on classifyads.com. So inside of the copy and paste ad system, underneath this tab right here where it says sample ads, this is where we're going to be able to find the ads that we will be able to copy and paste onto these various sites. And also this site right here is also listed in the 100 places to advertise, okay? So this is exactly how I got started with the system. I created an account. I paid the one-time fee to get started, and then I had access to the system and the capture pages, okay? So when I had got started, this is what I had. I was using this capture page, and these capture pages can be found underneath the pages tab inside of your back office once you get started. And then I started with these sample ads. So on this website, again, this is classifyads.com, and what I did was I created an account for the sites they have listed, okay? Okay, so now we're logged inside of my classifyads.com website, okay? So what I want to share with you really quickly is because most people will think that because there's a classified ad site that people do not visit these sites. For some reason, I think everybody feels like everybody just uses Facebook and social media and YouTube and things like that, but people still visit these websites. So right now I'm going to pull up a tab, and this is called Similar Web. Now with Similar Web, we can see here that this site has a global rank of like over 10,000, and then also the monthly visits is 5.5 million. So 5.5 million visits to this website. So don't you think that if you were to post an ad that a few people may click on your ads and learn more information about whatever it is that you're selling, right? So most of these websites, when you come over here, they're going to have sections where you post in either jobs, business opportunities, work from home, MLM, network marketing. It depends on the various classified sites that you go on. Now once you go on there, you choose one of those, and that's where you want to post the ad. So let me show you quickly how I'm doing this. So once you have created an account with classifyads.com, I'll come over here to post an ad. Then I'll come over here to jobs, and I'll choose a subcategory of business opportunities. Okay. Now let's put in. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of these ads to actually post onto the classified ad site. So what I would do is I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. And what I would do is, like most of the time, I'll pick and choose some of the sentences from different ads to make a new ad, pretty much, guys, right? So right here it says earn up to $100 an hour working part-time or full-time from home. So that's what I would put here because that's one that I have been using before, as you guys can see here. And again, that's from one of the ads. I'm literally copying and I'm pasting onto it and onto a website. So then I'm going to copy this text here. I'm going to come back to the website and put that information here. I'm going to keep everything here. And then right here it says watch the information video at, and I'm going to put my link there. Now that I have that information there, all that's good. Wrong one, 3. Okay. Do a little captcha. You can add an image here, but for this, for the time frame of this video, I'm not going to do an image, but you can upload an image, and I still end up doing it anyway. Hold on a second. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on post this ad, and boom, I have the ad posted. This ad is going to be valid all the way to March 1st, 2020. Okay, guys? So just imagine if you had a lot of ads out here working for you that are going to be up here for at least, what, 6 months or something like that, guys, right? That's how powerful this is. But that's how I'm doing this. I'm literally copying and pasting ads on various sites online in order to generate a lot of leads so that way they can go through the system. And then also with copy and paste ad system, they have their own training that they provide to you as well. Okay, so you're gonna have a lot of training. We also have the Facebook group here where you can join, where you can connect with other people who are inside of the copy and paste ad system. I'm also active inside of this group as well. So if you have any questions or you get stuck, this will be the place that you want to do it. Okay, guys. So that is my copy and paste ads review. Does it really work? Yes, it works. It works. But again, it only works if you do. And we have everything that you need in order for you to get results.